Díobh Cúirde, I'm going to give you a really brief lesson on aidiacht shealbhach.
Okay, an aidiacht shealbhach means a possessive adjective. So, for example, my coat, her uncle. Today I'm going to show you the two different sets of rules. The set of rules if it begins with a consonant, and the set of rules if the following word begins with a vowel. So let's start off with if the following word begins with a consonant, which is a consonant, so any other letter except A, O, U, I, and E. So the rialach are over here on the left hand side, so mu plus shealbhach. Shealbhach is a fancy word for a H. Dul plus shealbhach, a plus shealbhach, a. Or plus uru, wor plus uru, a plus uru. So mine, your, his, her, our, your plural, their. Make sure to take a little screenshot of this. Also check out my video on the uru so you know what uru goes before each letter. But as you can see here, mu plus shealbhach, mu chara, my friend, do chara, a cara, or gara, vor gara, a gara. My favorite way to teach this is with the rules. I kind of make it into a little chant and I make the kids say it over and over again. So I'm going to do it now. Mu plus shealbhach, dul plus shealbhach, a plus shealbhach, a. Or plus uru, vor plus uru, a plus uru. And then guys, the second set of rules are when the following word begins with a gutta, which are vowels, A, O, U, I, and E. So here we have the rialach over here. Once again, take a little screenshot. I find these ones easier, and so do all the students as well. So the rialach are M apostrophe D apostrophe A plus H, or plus N, or plus N, A plus N. Once again, my, your, his, hers, our, your plural, theirs. And as you can see here are the rules applied. Ahar meaning father, ma'ahar, my father, dahar, your father, ahar, his father, ahahar, her father, ar nyahar, our father, vor nahar, your plural father, and nyahar, their father. Another little tip, guys, that I tell my students, the last time the boy got the H, so a plus shealbhach, a chota, his chota, this time we want to make it equal, we want equality, so the girl gets the H, okay? However, it comes ahead of it. So we wanted to make it equal for the girl, so this time she gets a H, the boy gets nothing. And then finally, accordio, we do put this one into a chant as well, it just doesn't flow as well. So here it goes. M apostrophe D apostrophe A plus H, or plus N, or plus N, A plus N. Once again, these silly little ways to remember grammar just makes it more enjoyable for you and for your students.